Hi everyone, welcome to Radical Academy, and my name is Wanaman. In this video, I'm going to share with you this question that came from GCE, that is Mathematics 2023. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me from Facebook, make sure that you do follow my Facebook page. Well, without much further ado, so I'm going to actually get through this question step by step, and obviously hoping to make you understand how easy and how you can go about it. Okay, so let's dive into this. Okay, so we have this is what is called trigonometry. Okay, and it came last year. This is a GCE 2023. So you can see that is the right angle triangle. This is a non-right angle triangle. So we have the angle 92.7. Then we have two sides. Okay. So the question says calculate the distance RQ to two decimal places. So that is 5 marks. Okay. Now, the most important thing to understand that when you have this kind of non-right angle triangle, you have to understand that what kind of the formula under trigonometry are you supposed to use. So you are supposed to use the cosine rule. So you have two sides that have been given as well as one angle. Now this angle is opposite to the missing side that you are looking for. Okay, so this is a general a formula that we actually normally know. So this is very simple and goes like this. Okay, so it's going to be RQ squared is equal to these two RP squared plus PQ squared minus 2 open bracket multiplied by these two. Okay, so you're gonna actually multiply by these two, and this is without squaring them. So RP multiplied by PQ, PQ, then multiplied by cos P, cos P. Now, after you get this formula, okay, what's going to actually come next is that you just have to now replace the numbers into the formula that we have come up. So RP is this one, and PQ is this one. Okay. Okay. So once you do the calculation, substitution. So this is 23.8 squared plus 7.1 squared minus this multiplied by again okay. So now what you can see now is that we have this squared, and then also multiplied by this. So you have to be very careful when it comes to the replacement of the numbers. Okay, you have to be very careful. Once you replace the numbers accordingly, then you also have to ensure that your calculator is well in the normal mode. Okay, make sure that you check that out. So I'm gonna actually punch everything and then just give you the answer. But the most important thing to understand is make sure that this you punch this, you punch that alone, and then you also punch this alone. Okay, that's the most important thing.